Hello everyone and welcome to this weekly Forex Forecast with the YouTube community of AvenFX. Boom. Hope you are doing well, hope you're doing fine, hope you're doing amazing. I am pretty good today. Pretty drained, pretty exhausted, but I'm trying to be here for you guys. Just give me some slack today if I don't act as energetic as I normally should. I'm sorry. My apologies. All those things. I really want to be here for you. So earlier today I wanted to cancel, but after a tenth of millions of coffees, I'm alive. But yeah. Today is the day where you spill the coffee, destroy the computer, and throw it out the window because you were exhausted. Do you know Simon and Joe? Simon and Joe. Who is Simon and Joe? I'm supposed to know Simon and Joe. Oh, yeah. See, I got water. You know, water. No Coke today, people. Yeah, fantastic. So, how's your weekend been? I'm sorry for posting the Weekly Forex Forecast very late. I've actually haven't had the mental capacity. I've tried many times. I need to redo it. I did it in the wrong format and all those shenanigans. So it kind of just went on in the end, and here we are. Where do we even start? Let me see if we can go through some. Have I given you the COT reports? We can go through the COT reports. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this week has been crazy. I think I've been too exhausted. That's all. And too little sleep. But if we go through the COT report, we have the US dollar here. For the non-commercial ones, we have basically still short bias here. There is shorts coming in, but also buyers coming in. So it's kind of like, yeah, it's more to the bullish side, yes. But it's interesting. It's interesting. Versus the euro, which is 15,000 long contracts taken out, going over to shorts instead is interesting. It's worrying, but not completely disaster. For the Aussie, we have more bullishness coming in because there is shorts taking profit and more longs coming in. But still, fair enough. 2,000 plus there. For pound, same, both taking profit. There's two things I want to say that stands out. It's euro. It's the Japanese that has 15,000 more short contracts. New Zealand is kind of the same. And gold. Gold takes profit yet again for that upcoming week. Now, I think this is past performance, not indicative of future results. Because when was this mentioned? When was this taken? It was collected on this specific day here. And after that, we have gone higher. Hello, Boss Lady. Hello, Sammy. Hello. Yeah, I know. That was when I was able to be done with it. Hello. I'm supposed to say your name correctly, so let's go through my notes. Chu-chan. Chup-chan. Chup-chan. Yeah. So, that is not my only hope, but I'm saying there's a difference in the reports. Now, we have the 10-year T-note, which now becomes a closely monitored thing that we need to do. more than anything else is to monitor this one. This one going higher is not indicative of gold of dollar going high. As you can see here, this is Friday, and this is Friday. So, but yeah, it will drag it higher. No. Hello. So yeah, it's a concern. On Friday, I feel like some of you guys were freaking out, having a bit of a panic mode. I'm not in panic mode today. Or at that point even, I'm still very much content. What does content mean in this case? I mean, I'm still true to my strategy. I'm still true to my trades. I just think that right now, at least as a Friday, we have two very strong forces against each other. So what is happening right now is that we have two strong forces against each other, and I don't know who's going to win. So yeah, we will just have to see, because this is the sell point for sellers, this is the buy point for buyers, and we are in between. Yeah, absolutely 50% in between. So this doesn't indicate buyers or sellers. If we go a bit out on this one, yes, this is a higher high, but it's also the monthly take profit, monthly TP. It was also rejecting at resistance, and now it has come back down to support. So we are still in the fight of bullish and bearish. Here we are bearish, bearish, bearish. Here we are sideways, 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 sideways. Here we are higher. If you want to believe this is bullish, yes it is. But if it goes below 91.37, yes. So that is the outlook for this next week. What is this thing is about? Yeah, okay. How do we then technically look at Aussie dollar? Okay. Falling, 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 falling. Pull back because it fell too hard. Falling, 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 falling. Reversal. Where was it reversal? At the key pivot points for buyers. It sold around the area for sellers. Now we are in between. But I think it's remembering that on Friday we did go higher above the resistance. We came down to the buy zone for this next week. So technically, we're still bullish. We're still situated to the higher side. Because now we have a high. We have high on this high on that high, and held that high. We don't have a higher high on here, but I think it's going to come. The other question is, for you Abbas and those who are worried, if we are falling, if we get dollar strength, okay, what happens then? Well, you first have to break 77. You can take it down to 76, 76 area-ish. But do remember, seasonal, that generally speaking, I'm talking in general, that March finds a bottom and April goes absolutely ape. Hello, Gunai. Am I saying your name correctly? We shall see. Then I think I would just take and put the. Whoa, that was wrong. The link. Let's try that one today. That is how Google feels about this link today. And then, okay, if you want my help, this is just test, and then we can we let fix it? Great. So for Aussie, then if we don't go down, well, I don't really bother. I'm not really bothered. So this might be the first attempt that we have. And then if it then falls, okay, great. You have shorts. You can short here if you want. You can short here if you want, and then you can go down to the weekly and grade all those things. Are you going down to 74 before bouncing again? As to this, I don't know. I wouldn't be too confident on that. Oh yeah, okay, true. Sorry, mate. Sorry, lady. I took away. Well, my bad. So if we come down to 75, that's a bottom. If we go down to 74, that's a bottom. That's potential then going higher. So no matter where we go, I'm still going to look for the upside. But are we bearish? Like, are we overall bearish, people? I wouldn't say so, because this 200 moving average, which is the fair value, is still bullish. It's still going higher. Well, currently it's range bound. Price is below it, was below it at least. But if we break below here of 76.50, yeah, okay, that will drag price downwards. But until then, I don't really see the need for us to say that it's going lower. This is just a pullback so far. Okay, are we okay on that? Target is almost 81 on the month. The week we're looking into 78.70. I can put up some prices and you can see them. Great. Would that indicate that dollar is going to be strong going up to Wednesday? No, not really. I have some inside information that dollar normally weakens towards the Fed meeting. My secret says that it's going to be yeah. So that's not. We got some cables to lay. So where are we? Firstly, on the month, we can do some high time frame, top down analysis. We're starting with high time frames, you know. Yeah, we're still bullish. We have still very aggressive daily chart. Then we're going down to 4 hour. We have some still aggressive charts. We're still above the green line. The 55 is range bound. So yeah, this is very bullish. If we break below 138, that is absolutely important. How about this one? How about this grand lady? Yes, I have. Me and the Queen Elizabeth has been buying this one. We are hoping this one should go higher. And the target for the month was around 144. So Queen Elizabeth, we're going to have afternoon tea tomorrow to go with Prince Charles. And we're going to discuss the current level of pound dollar and the pound. No, not pound. Pound. It is absolutely crucial that this one goes up for a new higher high, yeah, before we can continue higher. Any breaks below this one is important. And I'm not saying it will, I'm only saying if-then statements. So if you are coming down here at 138.50, please make sure, lady and gentlemen, that we are not engaging more. Have you monetized your YouTube channel, Evan? Yes, I have, and I am not monetizing my Weekly Forex Forecast. Because last time I monetized, well, you want to know how much I made last time I monetized my video? Let's go to one of my videos. Literally, I'm going to tell you. You want to know how much I made on my YouTube video? Let's see. Analytics, income. Let's find a video here. That is that one. 21st of February. Let's look at this one. The income there was nothing. So we have to go back, go maybe to videos. So I'm just doing here behind the screen. You know, don't worry about me. So maybe a video from probably 26th of January. Yeah, 16th of January, sorry. The income I had is $1. Is it $1? Yeah. Yeah, $1.57. Here we have it. $1.05. 16th of January video. So yeah, fantastic. That's me. That's how much you make on YouTube videos. I can not pay for anything. I can't pay for a coffee. I can't pay anything after that. But I do have a YouTube community, and I do very much welcome anyone sending me a super chat, you know, on basis of you making money of what you're saying here, though. But yeah, okay. It's up to you. Oh, I had a glass of Coke anyways. Fooled you. So, and by the way, the link that I provided up here that I have pinned is free. Don't worry about that. Yeah, cable. What is my direction? I want this to go up. I already have positions in here. I already bought here on Friday. That was the buy zone. So yeah, tip top, thumb up. Here, maybe ish. So yeah, great, fantastic. Pound, no, not pound yen. Gold. Gold was requested. Oh, gold, 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 gold incoming. Should we like have a video? Should we like have a music for gold? Let's see if we can listen to any sound effects. The Golden Empire. Nah, didn't work out. Oops. So, gold. Gold. I should find a melody for gold, by the way. So, what did we say about gold? We said that gold should go higher, right? And I don't know if Crystal is here right now, but we had a discussion on the Zoom meeting on, I think it was Friday, and we were like, yeah, this is the buy price. This is not a need deal thing, but maybe this was the buy price. And I think you said something about you should have taken it or something. So what is this right now? Low, low, lower low. This is a reversal. But for us to be very confident in the gold trade, we need to break, first of all, we need to break like high time frame 1760. Oh, that's our target. So if we are, that's the short-term buyers, like small-time buyers, and then we can also do that. So when really the big boys are going, so I changed my buys, by the way. I changed my prices to be more secure about what we're doing is actually what we're doing, not just playing small things. This is the buy price, yes. This is the next one. This is the next one. But you're not confident of gold, just trying here until we have broken above 1760. Okay. Break. No, that didn't work out. Break. $17.60. What about Bitcoin? We will do Bitcoin later, no worries. But it's not one of my most funny things to do. As you can see here, this is the daily buy zone today or for tomorrow, and then probably we'll move up here and then move up here. So, enjoy. If it falls below 1700, abort mission, abort mission, abort mission. What did you mean gold is for hedging, not for taking profits in your weekly forecast? Hello, Teddy. Long time never seen. Sammy, first of all, central banks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Buyers of gold. It is central banks. What are they doing? They're buying gold to hedge inflation in their country. That's what they did back in March. Governments is buying gold to reserve, to have a secure reserve. Okay? Hedge funds. Hedge funds have, for example, they're into the stock market. But in a portfolio where you have, let's say, 20% stocks, what if it falls? You go down to 10%. Then you need to have something that counterweights this fall, that goes up when this one goes down. That is called gold. The other one is bonds. But you don't buy bonds and stock at the same time. So those are, is that called mutually exclusive? Is that, no. Mutually exclusive stocks. So it's how the large institutions are using gold as an asset. So if you're going to follow their theory and how they are talking and thinking, it doesn't really matter how the price really flow, because it is going to be whatever. They're just going to be holding for the next 5 years or whatever. So they're just going, it's like if you go and buy jewelry from for your lady, like gold jewelry, do you care what the price is tomorrow? So so yeah, it is how the central banks are doing it, and how hedge funds, institutions, governments are treating gold, and also therefore also large, high net value people. So they don't care. They're just going to hold it. And they don't really, yeah. So we might be on the smaller time frame, but they're like, okay, cool. It is 1800 today. It was 1700 now. We'll think it's going to go to 2000. Is Euro bullish, Myro? Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this channel? Then I can give you the answer. Because if you think this is the best answer about Euro being bullish ever told to any human being, then if not, please do it again. I was just having fun. Alright, so Euro, buy. Is Euro bullish? Not necessarily. It doesn't need to be. It all depends on your eyes. It can be bearish. This is bearish. This is bullish. So that is a place where you buy, which we did. This is a place where you sell. That somebody did, I guess. So we shall see. But yeah, if it goes below 1900, don't care about it anymore. If it doesn't go below 1900, you are very much welcome. It will then go higher. So I'm just saying that it was a difficult Friday, difficult market on Friday, meaning strong counter forces wanting to send these ones in their direction. Somebody said oil is now topped out. Okay? They have said that oil has topped out. I don't know. Well, maybe. Should it go higher? Can it go higher? I'm not sure. It has a tendency to top out in March, but we're still bullish. We're still very strongly bullish. We did come up to 68 a bit fast, 67. And I think 70 might be the target and then falling. And that this fall here was the pullback. You're much welcome. So if Euro goes above previous high, then yeah, we are continuing our bullishness, but right now is in between. Might not be the answer you would like to see, but you know what? I think that you just need to be confident in your analysis. Once we hit 70 on oil, I think we're going to fall pretty hard. We haven't fallen hard yet, but 63 so far is the price to hold if we're still going to be bullish. Okay, great, fantastic, boom. Now, if all of you guys were here on Friday and last week, and you know how much we have been fighting these trends, I do hope that you spread the word of how successful we have been. Not necessarily profits yet, because it's still yet to come, a lot of them, but process. I just have to emphasize on the process. Because without the process, we can just be gambling and shooting everywhere. Right? I know Sammy made money. I know that who else was it? Jesse made money this week. I know that Adrian, I don't know, maybe not, maybe you didn't. Maybe it was break even. So yeah, oh, Stefan, hi. Hello, Stefan. Very much welcome. So, what is the next one? Aussie? Have we done Aussie already, maybe? Euro? We did pound, euro. We did euro, you did euro. Have we done a euro, really? Maybe I haven't done euro, really. So for euro, oh, I have to redo this one. Probably copy paste. Navel, okay, Navel. You didn't want me to do that then. Mamma mia. So, okay. Here's a target. Great. There is two ways of doing that. There is that. Great. Target is then 120.68. There's other one is coming up to M2 and then down again. What we are experiencing right now can be a potential move to the upside. It can also just be the move that we're waiting for. We don't know real yet. But what we do know is that we really want to be conservative and hopeful, yet not taking tremendous amount of risk. Milan, coffee, yeah, it's a pretty good week. It's a pretty good week, and I'm still... How much am I in profit? Is it 5%? I'm not sure. 2%, 3%, 5%? I didn't check. I haven't done the calculation. So let's say 5% at least. So we did get some pretty good entries down in this area. So yeah. And if we got them to break even, don't lose heart. We just wait another game. Because if we can wait for all of that, then we can wait for that one. As we're expecting April, which is in 2 weeks, to be great. So, just waiting, waiting, and waiting, and waiting. Not waiting, but patient. Patience is... And you think it's going to be fast money in the market? Well, you're in the wrong club, bro. Much apologize for being in the wrong club. This is painstakingly slow. You have one chance every single week, every single day. You only have one chance, and then you're gone. So you don't really only need B2B in the charts of once a week, really. Okay. ASEAN coming down to support of 84. If it comes down to 83.76, still very great. And we're thinking, 85.60. Then I am thinking we should not break below 83.50, below this one. See technical analysis. And yeah, just wait for those prices. Pretty good. And be good boy. All right. Even if you don't get it, you still get it in the end. What else here? Just pretty strong, pretty great. Still very great. And by the way, you went to take profit last week, so I don't know if I remember even giving you that as a bullish side, but yeah, that's where it went. Now this week I can take credit for it. This stimulus thing, I think everyone will go for the buy, and that's why I wait for correction. When stop hunt storm is over by market makers, then I join the rise. Okay, here we have Mr. Investor Abaz. What happened on Friday? Okay, so as we can see here on the weekly side, we have change in shorts. On the weekly side last week, there was some profit taking on the short side on Friday because they were knocked out of it. But as you can see here, more shorts coming in on Aussie dollar. For Japanese, there were more buyers coming in last week. But okay. Yeah, okay. For euro, we have way more shorts coming in last week than buyers, and buyers even take profits. This is 30% to the short side. That's why I turned bullish at the end. For pound, we have more shorts coming in, taking profit on the buys, telling this one to be 70% towards the short side. Great. New Zealand is pretty stagnant, but still, generally speaking, more bearish. Turns this one to go higher. And the buyers on the daily took a lot of profits on Friday. I don't know why they did that. Maybe they were stopped out, actually. That's actually what I would think. But coming down to USD CAD, oh lordy, 78%. Wow, 78%. And then a lot of shorters took profit and a lot of buyers comes in. Wow, this is great. This is awesome news on Canadian. This is what I want to see, people. Around, 70% towards 30 towards the direction. Let's go to, well, that's wrong. USD CAD. USD Canadian. See? Well, this turn, there is buyers coming up to 70% and price goes lower. Yahoo! Pound yen, says Mr. Saniyai Gandhi. Okay. This is then likely to fall. Now, if we go to this USD CAD Canadian, what do we see? What do we do? Okay, the car is unlocked. Can somebody lock the car? My phone says my phone says the car is not locked. Can anybody lock the car, please? That would be not very nice of you. Somebody has the app. Have you ever pranked your brother? Like if you have like a key or an app where it can honk for you, to basically for you to find it, but you can honk with it. That would be so much fun. So target for the month is 24 on the USD CAD. Weekly target is 23.50 and sell price is around 25.50. How's the Zonky doing? That is like, it's so funny. I don't know how many new people we are here. Is there anyone new who hasn't heard about the Zonky thing? But yeah, I got a joke for you. Can't they do pound yen? Like, did I do it? Like, Abbas, have I done pound yen already? But yeah. So we are currently at the bottom. That should hopefully send that a bit higher and then lower again. But yeah, very strongly bearish. That's very true. All right, if I haven't done pound yen, I will do pound yen then. Okay. I am... Okay, you did Campbell. First of all, on pound yen. It is unbelievable strong. Number 2. We are going to be unbelievable strong. We're going to be unbelievably strong. We're going to be unbelievably strong. In our conviction, this is going to go higher. So let's make some trade plans, eh? Are you shorting it? Are you shorting? Are you shorting pound yen? Anyone? Is there anyone here? If you go to sentiment on IG, probably pound. I'm out. So for where was that supposed to be? Okay, it's mixed. Mostly shorters though, but okay, great. So most of them are short. Is anyone shorting? I think 153-ish, then correction for after stop hunt. I do really believe you. We believe in... Whoa. That's the wrong chart. We in 153. Sanjay Gandhi, if you can prove to me that your trading system is profitable selling this, I would be very happy to see it. I would be very happy to see your trading. I'd rather see your account and I will probably jump on you and hire you as my account manager if you are able to short this one and make money. That was a joke. It's absolutely ridiculous to sell now. It's absolutely ridiculous. There's no way in heaven or earth that this is bearish. It can fall, yes. But you don't have the grounds. You are basically selling higher highs. It is not bearish technically, so I cannot, under any circumstances, recommend selling for you. I wouldn't even have told my worst enemy short this one. You have to redo your analysis. You have to start getting better rules, because if you keep doing this, you're going to lose your money. You're going to blow accounts. I'm sorry. Like, really, we can't. We can't do this. I probably want to know your reasoning, but no. There is no way this is reversed, and it hasn't even made a lower low. Like, that's like the rule number 1 in trading. You need to have bearish price action. And I don't know what kind of things you were fooled to see up here, but I'm sorry, I'm very blunt today, maybe too tired. Maybe I should be more kind with you. But I'm due apologize for your shorting already. I hope you're in profit. I hope you get out. And go back to demo, find something better to do, maybe take my trading course, something. I've never asked you to sell. You can be right about the entry. No, about the direction. Yes, as the investor says, your direction might be right, but your entry and selling already is absolutely not sustainable. I've been trading for 7 years, or more than that, actually. And I'm not here to bash on you and say you're a terrible person. No, I think you're a great person. That's not the point. The point is your reasons for entering this kind of market needs to be changed and founded on better principles than catching higher highs. Because what is different from this high? What is the difference from this high, from this high, from this high, from this high? Price has gone up. Why are you not buying it in a bullish trend? I do see that you have shorted 152.79. 152.79, 79, 79, 17. Yeah. And I'm going to be respectful. Trying to be respectful from now on about how you trade. That is catching a higher. That's catching a top. I'm sorry. If you can break below 151, catch the bottom, catch the break, yes, then I can talk. Then we can start talking. If we can get a new low, then pull back, that would be even better. But so far, with current market, with current price, I have lost too much money here for you to be doing the same thing. I don't want you to lose money. That's where it comes from. And if you're right about the direction, are you okay having a stop hunt before falling? Because a double top is not straight off. A double top can be something like that. Are you okay with that? But then you lost 50 pips unnecessary. Or a double top can be, that's not double top. Double top can also be this. Yes, it can, like now. But that's where you're supposed to be. I'm getting excited here. This is supposed to excite you. So maybe I'm wrong about talking about this one too much. But please, provide for me that kind of strategy is profitable over the past 7 years. If you can prove that you have trading this one for the past 7 years, I'll be happy to support you. But I don't teach anyone. I don't want you to teach anyone like this. And sorry. I have done that strategy. I've only lost, so I can't promote it to anyone. So as long as we're holding 151, I'm buying. And as long as we're holding 151, I'm still buying. This one can fall. Fantastic, but doesn't need to. That's why I'm looking to the upside and 153, and then we can fall. COT report says that there are coming more shorters in for yen. So this one is then supposed to go higher. For the pound, it was pound. Yeah, both are taking profit. But yeah, it's all up to what you want to see. What do you want to do? All right. No worry, like no hard feelings, Sanjay. I just wanted to succeed. That's where it comes from. It's love. Hard love, sorry. But yeah, I come back to my mind saying, if you can prove that that trading that you're doing right now is profitable over 7 years, I would like to listen to you more. But until then, I can prove that my strategy works for over 7 years now. Not for over 7 years. Works for many years now. So yeah. Euro yen, hoping this one to fall a bit more before rising again up to 140, 131.30. As long as we are above 129, we're still going higher. Boom, 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 boom. So, yeah, there's nothing else on Euro. It's currently a bullish trend. Euro, yeah, great, fantastic, great. Riding the waves, gold trading. Hi, can you show me your chart prediction on gold if you have already done that, please? Riding the wave, gold trading. Hi. First of all, my ideas, I have this one for you. That is my current gold trading strategy. Idea on TradingView. It's called. For those who want to know that, you can follow me as well. I don't know if I'm too great about that. I have 4 likes on this one, people. Come on, 4 likes. Is that all you got? Then I have said that 1714-ish is a good buy price. After now, we want bigger time frame break 1765 to be big on gold bullish, but we are thinking for the next coming days for this one to go higher, and as we take profit at 1765, maybe next week we are going to have a bull run. So in this area, let's see, in this area we are cautious. Cautious. And here, above here, in this area, we are aggressive. Or more aggressive, but still within 1% per trade. Don't risk a lot. There's no need. So, why isn't it on Bell? Lol, what's the... Okay. So the reason is stimulus. The reason is, yeah. But the greatest threat to gold is the higher yields. The greatest threat to gold is probably also improvement in the economy. But another thing that could be good for gold would be Rocket Man in North Korea pushing some buttons. Well, he was threatening about it this year, but I didn't hear anything from him. So I'm still lacking this this guy from North Korea. You know, Rocket Man. would send gold up. The vaccination failure, yeah, probably, maybe. Oh, it's too late for coffee. Coffee is like, yeah, it's 8:30 p.m. So it's too late. I've been drinking coffee earlier on these webinars, which I do pretty daily right now at 1930 GMT plus 2 or plus 1. But yeah, it's Coke. What else? Where else are we going? Anyone on New Zealand? New Zealand. Anyone? Kiwi. Okay, S&P 500. SPX. Okay, we can do SPX. Not that I didn't see that, but I was like, okay. Yeah, Bitcoin. We can also do Bitcoin then. Okay. Trading. This one. This one was normal move on the market. We are now at a higher high. Okay. Where do you buy? You buy here. Bye-bye. And then bye. And then what are you guessing this week? Oh, bye-bye. This one is set to go higher. Whatever price you feel like it. But yeah. Like it's gone. I am an S&P 500, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean? I am. So, stock market is supposed to go higher because it does go higher. The other thing is April. The seasonality. I'm going to give you some. I'm really giving you my secret to the seasonality. S&P 500, maybe. S&P. How is the season chart? I can't see that. Naval. Okay. Season chart in April is boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're going to hire. Okay. Then we have stimulus coming in. We have seasonal winds coming in. And oh my lordy. Good lord. I have a joke for you guys. Do you know why dwarfs are laughing when they run around in the grass? Do you know why dwarfs are running around why they're laughing when they're running around in the grass? Because the grass is tickling their balls. Nuts. Anyways, that was a bad joke. So yeah, 4,000 is my goal, at least, but I think we're going to go the goal. I think it's going to go higher than that. But yeah, great. I can't say it. No, you can't. The police was arresting some mental ill people in Oslo yesterday. They were crazy. Dark jokes. I have more dark jokes for you guys. But yeah, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Okay. Why is Bitcoin rising? Because of stock market rising. They're driving on the same things. And probably also investors and all those. The reason for it is fundamental drivers behind it. And all the other reasons that these people give to you, great, fantastic. It's probably a reason. But remember, where are we? Month of March, 64,000. Have that in mind. 70,000. Have that in mind. If the farther we go above the monthly target, the more it will crash. Okay? The more it will crash. I got new viewers over that. But yeah, I probably will be kicked out of this, what do you call it? I'll probably be kicked out of this monetization if I do worse jokes now. You see 13 likes. I also see 13 likes, and I don't know what people are thinking, but you know, this This is humor at its best. Like, if you guys, if your guys are in for some jokes and some, like, we have the Zonky. That was a pretty good one. But yeah. What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing. It just waved. Now, 10 EU nations say vaccine thing from UK is not safe. They're fighting again, plus with each other and on EU. No, I think the BTC is pretty directional. New Zealand dollar, I saw that boss lady, so just do that now. This support has to hold not a pip lower. So yeah. So it has to go higher from here. If it doesn't go higher from here, it is going down. On the weekly, down to 76, 70.60. Yeah, basically. And yeah, it's resistance turning to support. Yeah, but Bitcoin is not necessarily very friendly with the trend. It is very bye-bye or I'm gonna crush you. It's one or the other, right? So yeah. Okay. I think that's that. Yeah. Where was I? I sort of forgot you. What did one toilet paper say to the other toilet paper when they were crossing the road? One of them got stuck in a crack. So he didn't get over. Yeah. Okay, that's true. So New Zealand dollar, we have to hold this level, and investor, we are into something that is concerning me. That when they start talking about vaccination and don't fail to do so, that could send the dollar down. So I'm only going to take my profit and I break even. Maybe also sell something just for the fun, just to show you how good idea that was. Joke. And yeah, take it from there. Which we can't. What I can't now say is, first of all, what is going to be said after this webinar, I have no clue. Meaning that there has been news that comes out of this webinar or happens throughout the webinar, and when on the other side you're like, oh, but this changes everything. There is investor. Yeah, I got some offensive jokes for you, investor, if you want to. It's no problem. What else? Bond yields are higher. DXY is short selling, buying, depending. Australian dollar is at the buy price. Great. Euro was at the buy price on the week. Great. So bye. Pound was at the buy price. So pound was at the buy price. Great. Pound yen has not gone to buy price yet, but we are waiting for that. New Zealand dollar is definitely at the buy price and screams a bit, nope. USD CAD comes to sell price and then lower. Great. Hasn't done that yet, so we're just waiting for that to happen. Down to 23.75. 23.50, sorry. Aussie yen going higher. CAD yen unbelievably strong. Coming down to 86 and then higher. Great. Euro yen down to 29.50 and then higher. And all that. So New Zealand yen is coming down to 78. That's a new buy. And if it goes below 77.50, it is no longer bullish. And if it goes below 77, it is totally bearish. So be aware of that. Gold and oil. Oil is supposed to go higher up to 70. It can turn lower. Great, doesn't matter. 63 is the target. Is the line in the sand. Great. Silver at the buy price. Woohoo. Double bottom. Woohoo. Just likes a higher high, higher low. Continuation higher. Boom, boom, boom. All right. What else? Do I feel like we're done? Or do I need to go through my okay, I can show you one secret today. I think maybe sometimes trading sir, is that a secret? Oh yeah, this was for the weekly webinar for the YouTube members. So we went through some charts, some trading reports, blah blah blah. Da da da. We're not going to tell you what I told you, but yeah, anyways, a lot of nonsense, a lot of noise analysis, and great. So, what was I supposed to give you? Nope. ING. What to watch out for the Fed meeting. There's a Fed meeting on Wednesday. So here we have a beautiful email that I got and what to look out for. I probably should have gone through that more with the YouTube community members, but you know, it is what it is. The Forex market will react to this FOMC meeting through the premises of US Treasury bonds will be sold off after Powell's Q&A, pressuring the risk assets lifting the dollar. If the Fed chair can present a dovish narrative that the US Treasury avoid disorderly sell-offs, the more then this currency exposed to global business cycle, including the euro, can probably enjoy some modest gains later in this week. That the Fed will one day hike the interest rates need not necessarily undermine the risk-sensitive currency like the dollar. The sell-off would probably occur if one genuine concern arises that Fed will be behind the curve and the real interest rate loses quickly. Ta-da! You got something for you. Okay, great. He wants to say okay, I can take the joke again then. Okay, all right, great. What do you get when you combine a horse and a zebra? Let's see if we can get it over here. You get Zanky! That's not the emoji I want to give you. Alright, so anyways, thank you for today, people. I think we have had lots of fun. I think the thing to look out for is the yields. I'm thinking dollar bearishness this week. I might be wrong. Don't trade upon it, though this webinar does not contain investment advice, only for education purposes. and all those shenanigans. Okay, so until next time, have a great day, have a good life, don't do things I shouldn't do, and don't get your girlfriend pregnant before you have decided that's a good idea. Okay, great. Have a good day. Cheers, guys. Boom.